Hello all.
So today's MCQ is a 47-year-old woman P2L2 with obesity, BMI of 35 kg per meter square, type 2 diabetes mellitus and chronic abnormal uterine bleeding undergoes an endometrial biopsy. Histopathology reveals endometrial intraepithelial neoplasm EIN. She has completed her family. What is the next most appropriate definitive management? A. Cyclic oral progesterone for 6 months. B. LNG IUS. C. Total hysterectomy. D. Endometrial ablation.
Now see, in this patient, she is of 47 years, right? She is having high risk factors like obesity, diabetes, and she is also having chronic abnormal uterine bleeding. And one more important thing, that she has completed her family, right? Now, as you know, previously the division of endometrial hyperplasia was simple complex typical and simple complex atypical, right? Now in 2022 WHO has divided only in the two classes, right? One is the benign hormone dependent and second is the EIN. Now this case is of EIN. There are very high chances of concurrent endometrial cancer and progression to endometrial cancer in these cases, right? Now in this question it is given that she has completed her family. So here the answer is total hysterectomy. Now see the other options. Other options are related to oral progestin and LNG. Yes, it is the treatment for the woman who wants to preserve the fertility and just for the time being. In that also, after completing of their family, we should go for hysterectomy. Hysterectomy is the definitive management because there are high chances of endometrial carcinoma here. Because in EIN basically molecular changes have already occurred. So in this case, apart from morphology, molecular biology also matters. So here the answer is hysterectomy, and fourth is given endometrial ablation. Now in endometrial ablation में अपन क्या करेंगे, वो endometrium we are destroying that. So in this case the endometrium will not be available for the future follow up. So it is basically a contraindicated. Ablation is contraindicated in cases of EIN or atypical hyperplasia. So answer is C.
So to solve this question, there are two main key points. First, the age, and second is the completed family. Along with the high risk factors, that is obesity and type 2 diabetes mellitus. So no conservative management is required in this, and the option for treatment is total hysterectomy because it is EIN, that is endometrial intraepithelial neoplasia.
So there are very high chances of endometrial cancer in these cases. Thank you.